Yeah, tell me something about you.
Hello sir, I am Priyanka, a recent BTech graduate from 2024 with a passion for coding and software development. I have learned front-end development and Python programming and enjoy building logical solutions and dynamic web pages. I am excited to apply my skills and knowledge in a dynamic environment, learning from experiences and grow as a developer. Thank you.
Yeah. What is the purpose of doc type HTML?
The doc type HTML is a document type declaration. It actually used when the starting of the web page and it tells the browser the current version of HTML.
What are the semantic elements in HTML and give some examples?
Semantic elements in HTML tells both developer and browser with clear meaning. Some of the semantic elements are header, footer, nav, article and section.
What is the difference between ID, class attributes?
ID is a unique element used with hash in CSS, and it is only used for uniquely identified elements and used only once in a code. And class attribute is used for grouping and more elements to style as a similar one. And class element is used as a full stop in CSS code.
Dot. Dot. Yeah.
Dots.
What is the box model in CSS?
Box model in CSS used for spacing and structuring of a web page. Box model consists of border, padding, content and margin. Content is a context with images and text. Padding is a space between border and content. And border is the edge of padding. And margin is a space between border and the elements.
Border?
And the next element.
Next border element. Yes. Yeah. So what is the difference between inline block and block level elements?
Inline elements usually usually does not starts on a new line, but it continues with the same line. Inline elements does not have fixed height and width. Block level elements is represented in a vertical stack. That means it starts on a new line. And block level elements have same height and width as the container. Inline and block elements both combine properties from inline elements and block elements.
So I want to place a div center horizontally and vertically. How can we achieve that?
To center a div horizontally and vertically, we use modern elements like flexbox and grid. Flexbox we can use like display flex, justify content center and align item center. Whereas in grid, display grid and place item center.
Okay. So different data types in JavaScript.
There are mainly two data types in JavaScript. They are primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types like number, string, boolean, null and undefined. Non-primitive data types are objects.
Okay. So difference between double equal and triple equal.
In double equal to only we compare value and there is a type coercion if it is needed. And in triple equal to we compare both value and data type. And type coercion is not needed.
What is type coercion?
Type coercion means if 5 double equal to string number 5 double equal to string 5, then it directly converts string into number in double equal to. Whereas in triple equal to the string does not convert it into number, as in double equal to it is true. The condition is true, whereas in triple equal to it is false.
What is the difference between var, let and constant?
Var is functionally scoped and it supports redeclaration and reassignment, and let is blockly scoped and it does not support redeclaration but it supports reassignment. Constant is a fixed value, it is also blockly scoped and it does not support any redeclaration and reassignment.
Are you recommending to use var keyword?
Sir?
Are you recommending to use var keyword?
Yes, sir.
So generally using var you mentioned that what redeclaration as well as reinitialization,
Yes.
right? So redeclaration is not good, no?
Yes.
So then
Let is.
then try to avoid where instead of let constant. Try to avoid where.
Okay.
What is callback function?
Callback function is a function that we pass as an argument to another function,
Okay.
and it usually used after some work is done. It mainly uses for code reusability.
Okay. So that's it for my end. Do you have any questions?
Is there any things I have to improve?
Nothing so much, but give some examples. So, for example, when you're talking about where let constant, you have to. You're not mentioned. I think let and constant from EA6. You're not mentioned the version and why let and constant is advanced than where. So these kind of examples, if you add, then that will improve your um, growth.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Yeah.